Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin and Tesla. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, turn on the bell, make noise on the comments and the algorithm. Let's push this community and join us in the Telegram. There's 9,000 of you trading together. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going technicals. I'm going to do Tesla because it has been the most requested going into their earnings today. So Tesla is about to release their earnings. Unity up in yesterday 2%, Ethereum 1% up, Meta up a little bit, BNB up a little bit. The rest of the market quite flat. Bitcoin pumped and then dumped today. You can see here on the hourly we had this big pump from 28,300 to 29,000, then just dumped back down again. Lots of pump and dumps. Trade setup for Bitcoin is still off this support. On the 4 hourly we are coming close to oversold. The daily we're oversold. Oversold is when the stochastic is below the dotted line. Whenever the stochastic is above the dotted line, it's overbought, time to sell. Below the dotted line, oversold, time to buy. Especially on the weekly time frames. You can see here Bitcoin on the weekly, very oversold heading up. On the monthly, pushing up. And on the daily, oversold heading up. So when those bigger time frames are overbought, that's when we'll get out. So right now, it's still heading up in my opinion. That's the trade. I would still take this trade off the support here. Opening at 27,491. Stop loss 27,239. Take profit 33,000. Risk toward 24 times. Risking 251 to make 6,293. No leverage 10x 62,000. 100x leverage $620,000 profit. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin. And over in my account, $317,000 in this account. Down $600 today. Bitcoin, $29,000 worth of Uniswap, down 3%, Doge, 28,000, etc. And my Bitcoin trade, $1,700 in the negative, this new $80,000 Bitcoin trade. Those are the two setups that I have. Now let's look at Tesla going to the earnings. And this is the longer term play that I'm looking at for Bitcoin. This longer term setup. You can see here this Elliott wave count up, and then I think in the longer term, in 2024, after this push up to 40K, we can have a big correction. But short term, I do expect that Bitcoin can pump towards that 33K mark, which is beautiful. Now we're going to look at Tesla because you guys requested it. I'll show you. So in the comment section down below, people, Tesla earnings tomorrow, what do you think? I'm going to let you know. Morning, James. Good to DCA when it drops. Agree. You've got the best TA. Thank you, Graham. Let's go into Tesla now because I have a lot of Tesla and I want to buy more. And if it can drop on, I want to know. So bull flagging. This is Tesla. This is my old play on Tesla. It's bull flagging. Stochastic turning up on the daily, on the weekly turning up, on the 4 hourly turning up as well, which is interesting. Technicals, it looks like Tesla's going to bull flag out of here and have a small pump to around $275. But then it should start this ABC correction. So my best bet is to buy at 213 if I can. That's where I've got buy orders, and 276. Let's zoom out, see if there's a bigger pattern. There is kind of a big inverse head and shoulders here. Shoulder, head, shoulder playing out to 310. Big Tesla can pump out of here, but I still want to have these buy orders at 213. But again, this is a bull flag on Tesla here. This is a bull flag. Builds pressure and moves up. So let's see what happens. So that's my updates in the market. And again, join us down below under the description of the video. You can see, you can sign up to Bybit. You get that $30,000 bonus. You can sign up to OKX. There's $70,000 in prizes. And join us in, take the crypto master course to learn how to trade, learn the indicators, how to read the charts, 12 hours of lessons. And also join us in the Telegram. There's 9,000 of you trading. Those are my updates on Bitcoin and Tesla. I do think Tesla will pump, but I still think that we can have, it might pump but come back down on the ABC wave, and I want to buy it at 217, and if possible lower. I've still got 50% of the holdings of Tesla. Love you all, have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.